raining now. Oh, that feed was only 170 baht. 100 for pad thai and $70 for the Cheng beer. That's it. That's all it was. Wow, look at the koi. Fishy, fishy, fishy. Wow, there's heaps of koi in there. There's a lot. Yeah, that's definitely less than what you pay in Fifi.
Yeah, I'm gonna go walk.
Fifi Beach. Pad thai would be maybe 200, 250, and then the beer would probably be 200 as well. Yeah, it's much cheaper here than in the islands. Krabi is much more affordable.
I've got a little blister in the foot.
Look at that. Half the cost. Half of what you pay. It's really good. It's a hike and a half up there. Very nice spot. It's all rainforest. It's tropical. It's a tropical island, bro. Ice cream. See, 100 cups. We walk up here, go for a little walk and explore.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Yeah, if it was legal, so cool. So nice. Look at the vegetation. So green and lush. Oh, it looks like we're at the end of the road. I'm gonna walk up there. Oh, that's it, in here. The elephant. Krabi elephant, green sanctuary. Cool. I'll do a little mix. Okay. Oh, did he? Oh, that's cool.
Давай, плохо.
Oh, no. For the watermelon. Cool. Early. Sure, I got my pizza phone. Oh, this is pretty cool, this bar. Oh, that's sick. So we're going off later tonight. I like a lot. Krabi Beach, it's cool. Tomorrow, Rayleigh. We've got a Rayleigh tomorrow. This is cool though. I do like it. Pity about the rain. The rain sucks. Other than that, if it wasn't raining, it'd be really nice. It's still nice. It's wet. Shoes all wet. Crazy. That's what it is. Cocktail, takeaway, $100. So good. My friend making me a pina colada. Legend. Very nice.
Mit Nutella
That's
oder?
good. So many smoke shops, that's crazy. Bamboo beach. Nice. Oh, there's another one over here. There's another one. It's excellent. Hello friend, hello it's Vodka.
Yes,
Do you have the cheap ones like 100 baht, thongs?
socks.
Thongs. Thong?
Please no have. I have socks only.
Yeah, you know like thong?
Slippers.
Yeah, like these ones.
The cheap ones. That one is small size, only cheaper one, sir. Yeah, I have 200 baht. Is
Oh yeah. Oh okay.
With a bigger size for you size.
Yeah, true.
You like it?
Yeah, that's quite nice.
Which color?
But not with the leaf on it. One without the leaf.
Like this one?
Yeah. What are they, 200?
Yes, 200.
Oh, okay.
You want to try the vitamins or because
Yeah.
of raining?
Yeah, it is all wet.
Yes, with
Oh. And I bought some other ones, but it was doing that. Yeah. You know, I think these ones? Or one of them was doing that. So no, not good.
this thing is good, sir.
Yeah. It's slippery.
I'm not slipping, sir.
Oh, I'll probably get used to it. Yeah, slippery.
Not slipping, sir.
No grip.
No, because you just take out your socks, yeah?
Yeah.
The slipping.
But it's raining.
After killing your feet, clean
Yeah.
and you wear is no
Yeah.
slipping, sir.
Just too slippery.
No slipping. You look like slipping, but your feet is like
Wet.
slipping, yeah.
Because it's wet.
Yeah.
But it's going to get wet anyway.
You can wash one time water, it's okay. And
Wait, are these ones 200?
which one?
These? Or?
That one is 300 baht.
Oh, okay, good. That's alright.
Even I give you 250 for you, that one.
Oh, yeah. I was only looking for like 100.
Yeah, this is okay for you, sir.
I think too slippery.
You put in water, it's okay, sir.
No. Not grippy enough.
Not slipping, sir, not slipping. But your feet is slipping, but the slippers is not slipping.
Yeah, it's hard to find a good pair, man. Alright, I'll go have a look at one other pair and I'm gonna come back. Sorry.
Because your feet is oiling.
I know.
You wash water, it's okay. Clean water is
Yeah.
fine.
Oh, have you seen that Wayno around? You know Wayno? Big Wayno with long hair? Yeah. That's strong. Phew. $100, 100 baht. Thai whiskey and Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola and whiskey. Thai. Brothers, woo. Local, woo, woo. Hey, woo, YouTube. Yeah, nah, I wouldn't do it. No way. Oh, cool.